Hello everyone, Julie Peasgood here. Now, who'd have thought that we'd be preparing to spend the next few weeks, maybe even months, holed up at home? Unbelievable. But in the current circumstances, of course, understandable. So what are we going to do with all that time on our hands? Well, I'm pleased to tell you that my friends at Saga are launching the Not Going Out Club, and there's some amazing content in store for you. There'll be daily posts ranging from light-hearted self-isolation diaries from well-known celebrities to quizzes, community discussions, interviews, crafts, just masses of inspired ideas and advice to keep you enjoying life at home. Now remember, you do have to be a fan of Saga's Facebook page to access all the content. So if you've got some friends who aren't yet fans, spread the word and then they can get involved as well. Saga's #NotGoingOutClub is here to help. And in the meantime, wishing you good health and secure times ahead. Stay safe and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.